If you're looking to do video content and really having those great, beautiful video quality on your phone and having it on Instagram, especially using Instagram Reels, IGTV videos, stories and whatnot, and have it into the next level, this video is going to be for you because I'm going to go through every step, what you need and how you can make it really beautiful to your own style. Let's just get to it right here, right now. People, welcome back to my channel. Salut les amis, bienvenue et bon retour sur ma chaîne. Hola, bienvenue à mi canal. Konnichiwa, watashi no channel ni yokoso. I hope you're doing fine today. This is another day, another week and another video of me making videos and through the nitty-gritty of being and having beautiful videos from your iPhone. The apps help you a lot in the tone with. I'm ENROLLING. I'm a content creator and a coach, and I'm dedicated, passionate about helping creative women entrepreneurs scale up their businesses using video content strategy. And it's all about making money with soul. It's all about branding with soul. And I believe that whoever you are, where you're coming from, you can make a difference just by being yourself and really embrace that difference. That just makes you be you. Everything is just easier with videos because you can have the face of the person, you can have the mimics of the person, the smile of the person, you can have the accent of the person, and some people don't like it, some others will, but at the end of the day it's just everything to make it a little bit more human. First couple of things you need to actually start videos is to have your phone, and here we're gonna talk about having my iPhone. It's what I use the most to actually do my videos when it comes to being on Instagram, doing reels or anything related to Instagram most of the time. The next thing is gonna be a tripod or anything related to have the stabilization for your videos because that makes it being a lot more pro. Get yourself a tripod. I have a list down below on everything that I got from Amazon, but something that I can show you here is gonna be what I use for my tripod for my phone because it's a 360 object tracking holder. You do vlogs with it, you can have a portrait switch, so anything going from vertical to horizontal you can do both of them, and that's really great for vertical videos on Instagram without having to use your hands, and that's make it really pro. You have a beautify filter because you have an app, so you can do anything and you can add up any filter if you want to, and that again here makes everything beautiful. Here you have a 360 rotation, so whatever you're gonna do around it, it's just gonna be able to turn around. Object tracking, that you have a way to lock the camera on you, so whatever you're gonna do, whenever you're gonna go, it's gonna be able to track you around. You have the face tracking, eye composition, so that's a beautiful way to actually have really great angles and really great composition when it comes to the shots that you're gonna take. The next thing is gonna be a microphone. Audio is over 50% of the quality videos that you're gonna get because when people have it challenging to hear you, they are not gonna enjoy the experience. So videos are everything from having an experience, and you want to get that high engagement. Any type of mini micro that you have, you can use it to have it on your phone. I have a little microphone, a small microphone that I passed along to my friend. This is a great microphone because you get to plug in your phone, and for the audio is a lot better. Like, people are gonna be thankful for you to do that, I'm telling you. And the last thing would be the light. A light, it could be a natural light like the one that I use right now, or it can be the natural light. This is not something that you need to invest a ton at the beginning. I have my ring light that I use for the main source of light. Not only it can hold my camera, but it can hold my phone as well because there's a phone holder for that as well, so that is a beautiful thing, and usually I can use it if I don't have enough light. Now the next part is to actually prepare your phone to have those quality videos. Get to your editing apps because this is where you're gonna have a lot of details when it comes to the quality of your camera, and this is where you can set up your camera in a way where it actually can be a lot better. So we're gonna go together here. So everything is in French, which is normal because I speak French first. So I'm gonna get here, and then as you can see we have a lot of options. You can record up to 4K videos, and this is my iPhone 8. I usually go with 1080p HD with 60 frame rates. This is, I would say, the best quality when it comes to the video, and not necessarily getting to the 4K if you don't need it because it's a lot heavier. The second thing is gonna be to turn the green line, and every time that you record a video you are able to have a really great composition. When you turn it on, you have the lines going through the screen, and then you are able to compose your shots a lot better and know where you can see and put yourself in a way where it just makes it a little bit more balanced. Well, this is literally me in front, you know. Next thing is gonna be the manual exposure. When you're filming throughout the day, sometimes if you don't manually correct the lighting or just adjust the lighting, if it's dark outside, it's gonna reflect on your filming or your videos, or if it's like a lot brighter, it's gonna change at the same time. So what you want to do here is to adjust so that the lighting levels stay the same. So we're gonna do it here, and once locking, you're gonna see EF lock because it's in French for me. So get to the brighter or just less brighter if you want to, and then it's gonna stay the same. Once you've done all of that, you are ready to start recording. Have your phone level or the height level being a little bit below your eyes so that it's not gonna be on your face and the angle is gonna be nicer, and even for people to just watch your videos. I have everything here. I have everything here, and you can see that my face actually looks a lot better because I have everything a little bit more below my eyes and even my face.
And I don't even know what to see, you or you or you or you. So you can see
right here like my face, and you can see how much of my mimics or anything like that. Now let's go to the phone holder tripod app. As you can see here, whatever I do, it's move with me. So whatever I'm gonna do, it's just gonna keep moving. So this is literally where you can play around with everything, and you don't need to stay in the same place. So if you see me there, you see me here as well. So that's amazing. And I can do the 360, but I'm sitting down, so I'm not gonna do it. But you can see that whatever I'm doing follows me and keeps have everything sorted out. And here is really for the vertical format, because you can see that the vertical format is like my favorite when it comes to being on Instagram. It draws more attention. If you're doing lives, this is the vertical format that you want to use the most. The lighting part is something that I talked about in one of my videos when it comes to film your videos for YouTube for the first time. So you have the main light, which usually it's gonna come from the sunlight or the ring light. Sunlight is gonna be able to be a lot more focused on you. And then you have the key light, which is the angle light, where it's gonna be to create an angle on your face and create a 3D effect for the most part. Your background shouldn't be too busy and a blurry background, so people are not gonna be distracted by what's actually happening into the background. Make sure that when you record the videos, anything is well organized behind you, because people are gonna be distracted by it and you might lose that attention and not have that high engagement. Practice before getting on camera, because if you don't have a script or if you don't have the main idea of what you'll be talking about, you might ramble for way too much and really waste time and have a lot more confusion at the end of the day and feel a lot less confident and having people not necessarily understanding you the proper way. So you want to have a script, you want to have a plan, and you want to have at least a headline of what you're going to be talking about. Any apps that I would recommend InShot, even for the editing process, it makes everything a lot more easier for your stories, for your IGTV, and even for your reels. Or you can use TikTok as a way to make your reels and get to upload them on Instagram as well. InShot, what is great and what is new is that you can add graphics, you can add filters, you can add anything to make it a little bit more creative, a little bit more interested, so that people don't lose their attention. And at the same time, there is that new feature where you can actually export them to 4K video. So if you film something at, let's say, 1080p or 720p, you have an option to export all the video you're gonna be editing on InShot on 4K video. The main app that I use is Snow. I use it for probably 99% of my video on Instagram, and that's the one that I used a little bit before. The only downside about it is that it's in Japanese. Designed for getting even to create your own intro on Instagram for your own shorter videos. So far, these are the apps that I use the most. Of course, I'm gonna have a proper video for every app that you need to use or you can use for your own videos from your iPhone, because I think there's so many options and there's gonna be a lot more. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and even if you didn't get anything out of it, I just hope you were entertained enough to stay until the end. For the time being, let me know what was the best takeaway from it in the section down below. I'll be more than glad to answer to your comments. And I have my coaching program currently open, and for anybody being interested in it, all the details are going to be down below, because it's all about creating a video content strategy for your own business, and it's all about the mindset, the strategy, and even more than that. Details gonna be down below, and everything for a free discovery call, it's gonna be down below as well. I think that's pretty much it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button, because sometimes YouTube just doesn't let you know whenever I have new videos coming out. So the key for you to be able to be the first is to actually turn on those notifications, and that's gonna be a lot more helpful for me. I'm gonna wish you a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and smile because it's free and contagious in a good way. Bye.